Today at the meeting, we focused on the full implementation of the law on foreigners. We discussed the implementation, what will start tomorrow. We have had intensive talks with the government of Kosovo in course of last few weeks. And today, there is agreement of the implementation of law on foreigners with substantial additional steps. First of all, in regard of the registration process of Kosovo Serbs and temporary residence permits. So, Prime Minister Kurti, thank you very much for your constructiveness. I would like to thank also for the constructive approach of the Serbian political leaders in Kosovo. And European Union Special Representative Sørensen has been also in close contact with government of Serbia to find the best possible solution.